Meaning of geld.
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 Geld. The word geld has multiple meanings depending on the context. As a noun, it refers to a castrated animal, particularly a horse or bull. As a verb, it means to castrate a male animal or to deprive someone or something of vitality or vigor. When an animal is gelded, its behavior may become more docile and easier to control. In a metaphorical sense, gelding can mean removing the power or drive of a person or group. Overall, the term geld carries connotations of removing something essential or powerful, leading to a loss of energy or potential.